Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, yesterday we have taken up a reaction for synthesis of alcohols and precisely from alkenes. Basically, there are three different methods for their preparation. Whether the alkenes are symmetrical or asymmetrical, we can have three different techniques, or in fact the reactions, which help us in concluding the preparation of what alcohols. Yesterday we have taken up acid catalyzed hydration, wherein we have taken up direct and indirect hydration, and there we involved symmetrical as well as unsymmetrical alkanes. Then we have switched over to hydroboration oxidation reaction, which is one of the most prominent reactions in organic chemistry. Now today we are left with only one reaction, that is oxymercuration and demercuration. So it happens it happens in two steps, as the name indicates. That is, first step is oxymercuration and the next step is demercuration, which results in formation of an alcohol. Now without doing further, I will just switch over to that is oxymercuration and demercuration. The reaction oxymercuration and demercuration, it's actually a reaction of alkenes with mercuric acetate. Alkenes with mercuric acetate in presence of water, and first an adduct is getting formed, oxymercuration product, which upon a reduction with basic NaBH4 forms an alcohol. So this reaction happens in two steps. First step is oxymercuration reaction, wherein an adduct is getting formed, and that adduct in the reduction procedure by NaBH4 leads to the formation of an alcohol. Okay, now let's deal with this reaction in a bit detail, and let me remind you that the solvent here is THF, tetrahydrofuran. Now we are remanded with a free space over here so that we can discuss what actually happens over here. This is HgOAc whole twice. Basically Hg is 2 positive over here and OAc is having negative charge, and obviously we require 2 OAc to balance the Hg positive charge over here. What is OAc? It is O acetate. Simply the structure of OAc is CH3, C double bond O and O negative. This is OAc. Basically we will treat it as O negative O, and this is called as AC, acetyl group, OAc. That HgOAc is a reagent for oxymercuration. Okay, so how oxymercuration happens? This is actually done by an alkene. For example, this is an alkene. The pi bonded electron cloud, it goes to Hg, wherein 2 OAc groups are actually added over here, 2 OAc groups, and you will see while the pi bonded electrons are just taking their initiation and they are attacking to the Hg, one of the OAc is getting what? Released as a good leaving group. Mind you that OAc is a good leaving group. So one of them is getting released, and we are rendered with a product wherein Hg would be directly linked to what? That alkene which was previously alkene, now it is not an alkene. First it was an alkene with 2 hydrogen on each carbon atom. Now one of the link is with what? HgOAc. So basically Hg was having 2 bonds previously with the 2 OAcs. Now after losing one OAc, it is having bond with the carbon of the alkene and one with the OAc. Now H2O, which is actually written in the reactant side, it is taking the toll and acting as what? This is called as a nucleophile on the positive charge which is getting developed on other carbon atom, while the pi bond takes its initiation to lose its electron, or in fact to use its electron in just grabbing the HgOAc, H2O is acting as what? It is acting as the backward nucleophile to quench the positive charge or to quench the formed carbocation over here. And this H2O wholly would not be associated with what? The carbocation over here. It will just break down into H positive and OH negative, और H positive बाहर निकलेगा और OH नेगेटिव आपका एक नीट न्यूक्लियोफाइल वो इस पॉजिटिव कार्बन के ऊपर जो है एडअप हो जाएगा. So you will see the product that is called as adduct, which I have used the word adduct over here. This is the adduct over here, and this reaction happens in THF. This step is called as oxymercuration. Okay, now the second one is more simple rather than the simplest itself. It is actually a reduction step. In this reduction I have written demercuration. What do you mean by demercuration? That the Hg over here in the form of HgOAC, it is getting converted to NH. That's why the reduction is over here. NaBH4 reducing agent is over here used, and this reducing agent happens to be it works in a basic condition. So this reaction, net reaction, involves syn addition. What do you mean by syn addition? Syn addition, that H and OH in the form of a water molecule is getting added to one side of a double bond. The net reaction involves syn addition of water molecule to a double bond by Markovnikov way. You know why Markovnikov way is taken into account? Because we have seen in the first step that the carbocation which is formed over here, it will be only possible for an alkene to form a carbocation which is more stable, because the attack from the electrons of the pi bond, it will render the alkene to a next carbocation site, and only the positive site is formed in its more stable form. Okay, the next step is that this reaction is very fast. And the yield is more better. For the production of alcohol, yield is more better in oxymercuration and demercuration step. So this was all about the synthesis of alcohol, where in yesterday we have taken out the toll of two reactions, and today we have finished it with oxymercuration and demercuration, and this two reaction was from alkenes. So we have three methods for preparation of alcohols from alkenes, and we have taken them in details. Hope you have understood. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.